Do you live abroad, in USA, in Canada, in Italy, or in any Western countries, and you are looking for business, genuine business that you can invest in Africa? Don't worry, I got you covered. Now, let me share with you 4 products that you can import from China to Africa while still living in abroad, and you'll be able to make a lot of money, a lot of profit from these business ideas. Hello guys, welcome to Flora's Reality. My name is Flora Senze. In today's video, I will be telling you 4 products that you can import from China to Africa, and you'll be able to make a lot of money. You'll be able to make a lot of profit while still living in abroad, while still living in USA, while still living in Canada. Your business will be running smoothly in Africa, and you'll be able to earn, to make so much profit. The first business you can invest in while still living abroad is to import mobile phone and its accessories from China to Africa. This business is a very lucrative, a very profitable, and a very high in demand business. It is a business that is very high in demand, that when you invest in, you are going to make a lot of profit, because people all over the world, they use mobile phone and they use charger. So you see that the demand in mobile phone is very high. So why not venture into such business, right? There are so many suppliers in China that are willing to supply these mobile phones and its accessories to people who are willing to do business. Now, all you have to do is that you must have it at the back of your mind that this particular business is capital intensive. It entails a lot of capital. Why? Because you have to source for the supplier, where in China you must have somebody that you trust, somebody that you really trust from China, a good supplier that will be able to supply these products down to your country, down in Africa, for you to sell. Always advisable that if it is your first time to venture into such business, what you have to do is that it is good to go to China, right? Get suppliers contact, meet with them one-on-one. You make a deal with them, and you take time and look into their products, see the product, and then you go in for the quality product, go in for the best. Now you have already created a good rapport with the supplier. They will be able to supply those products now to you, to Africa, and at a discounted rate, and they will sell to you at wholesale prices or at factory price. Now you bring the product, or they will ship the product to you in Africa. Secondly, what you have to do again is that now that you have created contact with a supplier, the second time that you want to buy, you don't even need to go back to China, because now you have already created a good rapport with the supplier. So you have their contacts, you have already seen their products, you have seen that their product is very qualitative. Now you just sit at your comfort zone, and then you place your order, and the product, they will come and meet you. And the good thing is that they are going to sell to you at the factory price. Now you will receive your product that they have delivered to you, to the country where you are living or where you intend to do the business, and then you are going to retain the products now to the consumers, or to people, to the retailers that will come and buy to you, and then they sell. So you see that you will be making a fast turnover. You sell, you buy in bulk, and then you come and sell in bulk, and you sell very fast and go back to the market and buy. So you see that this is a very lucrative business, a business that is very profitable, and it is going to make you a lot of profits. The second business idea that you can venture in while living abroad is to import vegetable cooking oil from China to Africa. Before you start this business, you have to register this business to the Food Organization Authority, so that they will be able to issue you a document that is legal for you to do your importation without stress. You'll be able to import your product from China to Africa without stress from custom duty, because you have already registered this business. And this business, again, it is still capital intensive, right? There are so many countries that you can import this vegetable cooking oil from. You have countries like Turkey, you have countries like Saudi Arabia, USA, China, and so on. And this product, it is very profitable, because it is very high in demand. In our society, in the economy as a whole, people need vegetable cooking oil every blessed day. We cook with vegetable oil, we fry with vegetable oil. So you see that vegetable oil is very high in demand because of its usage. So this is a very good business that you can venture in, to import from China to Africa, and you make a lot of money while still living abroad. You can import this vegetable cooking oil from China to Africa in larger quantity, in bulk, and since you already have a good supplier in China that is willing to supply you this product in a great in good quality. So all you need to do is that you'll be acting like a middleman, right? Now that this product has been delivered to your location or where you intend to do the business in Africa while still living abroad, so you will be able to retail these products now to the retailer, and they are going to buy in so many quantities. You see that you will sell very fast, and then you will still contact, you will go back to the market, which is China. You contact your supplier, and they are going to supply in bulk. They will supply in larger quantity and deliver it to your location. So like I said, you don't need to be around, you don't need to be in Africa for this business to move. All you need to do is that you need to look for a good management team, a team that will be willing to work with you, a team that is very honest to manage your business, right? So you see that this business is going to do very well. And again, your team or you yourself, you can supply this vegetable cooking oil to stores, to supermarket, to the market, to the retailers. They will buy and you make a lot of profit. There is profit in it. There is a lot of money. So guys, why not give it a try, and then you see the magic unfold. The third business ideas that you can venture in while living abroad is the importation of kids clothing. That is kids wears, right? Now you have a good supplier, you have already created a good connection with the manufacturer from China, the supplier from China. Like I said, you don't need to go to China anymore. So you just need to contact them, give them a call, and then you tell them what you need. They are going to arrange the products, and then they deliver it to your location, which is in Africa. That is your target market. Your target market is Africa. And I also said that you don't need to be there because you have already created a team. You have created a good management team that will be able to receive these products, and they are going to sell, because parents are willing to buy things for their children. Kids are being born every day. Babies are born every day, every minute, every second. So why not venture into kids clothing? And you are going to see that you make a lot of profit, because this and the demand in kid clothing is very high, and it is a very profitable business. So why not venture into it, and then you will make a lot of profit. The fourth business that you can import from China to Africa while still living abroad is the importation of electronics. Now electronics and its gadgets. Now electronics, we have things like TV, we have radio, any electronic gadget, electronic devices and a gadget, they are very capital intensive. Now with this kind of product, since you already have your rapport, you have your supplier, your manufacturer from China, to place a call, and they are going to supply you these electronic gadgets. They will supply them, and make sure you buy in bulk. They will deliver them to Africa, to where you intend to do the business. And this business, like I earlier said, it is very capital intensive. You're going to make a lot of money. And with this kind of business, my dear brother, my dear sister, you need a store or a supermarket. You need to have a big space, so that when these products are being delivered, you now take them and put them into your store. You display the sample, and the retailers will come and buy in bulk from you. You will also be acting like a middleman, right? They'll come and buy from you, and then they take it to retail it to consumers and so on. So you are acting like a middleman, and believe me, you'll be able to sell very fast, and you make a very fast turnover, and then you are going to make a lot of profit. So this is a very good business. Venturing into selling electronics is very good. So why not give it a try? Thank you for watching this video to the end. Let me know in the comment section which of these 4 products that you are willing to invest in, that you'll be willing to import from China to Africa while still living abroad, in order for you to make good money, in order for you to start setting your roots back in Africa. Or maybe you are already doing any of the business, or you are already involved in the importation of any of these business ideas that I've mentioned. Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends, to your loved ones, to anybody that you know that this video can help, so that this person or he or she might be able to venture into any of these products and start making money. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.